everybody, Cocktail Tony, and I'm back. I had 7 videos, and I've been putting on a lot of shorts because I seem to get more views on my shorts. And getting views is what it's all about. Now, I've only got like 493 subscribers. I'm trying to get more, so if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, do me a favor, please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying here. And another friend of mine is trying, but I think he threw in the towel. But even if he did throw in the towel, get on there, watch his videos, and subscribe. Subscribe anyhow. It's Damo's Art World. Damo, he's a great guy, and you wouldn't believe the stuff that he does. Just get on there and watch his videos and hit subscribe for him, please. I hate to see the guy having problems and being so depressed that he has to give up his channel. He's been fighting at this channel for over 2 years. But hell, we all have. I've been fighting another 3 years, and I've only got 493. So think of that. But I'm not giving up yet. I might give up next week, maybe. I don't know. Never can tell.
Or tomorrow.
It's all about tomorrow. After this cocktail that I'm making with all this booze, I might give up in 20 minutes. Who knows? Anyhow, I'm going to be making my world famous one that I made not too long ago. It's I forgot what the name of it is, but I call it the Scorpion Bowl #2 because I add a little bit more booze to it. That's why. The Scorpion Bowl does not have brandy and it doesn't have 151. This one does. So world famous total annihilation. Because after this, I might be totally annihilated. And here we go. It's going to have 3 ounces of gin, 3 ounces of rum. Whoop, that doesn't work too good, did it, Karen? You hearing that pour? Do you hear that pour?
I hear it.
Okay. 3 ounces of 151 rum. Wow, that's a lot.
3 ounces of
3 ounces of 151.
Oh, man.
I'm ready to blast off already. I'm ready to blast off. 3 ounces of 151. 3 ounces of vodka. Oh, you know me and my vodka. I like to drink vodka. I always buy vodka at Costco. I get that French vodka at Costco. It's really good, and it's not a bad price. For $18.99, you get a big bottle over there at Costco. 1.5 ounces of Myers Dark Rum. 1.5 ounces of Brandy. 1.5 ounces of, what do you call that stuff, Karen? Grenadine.
Yep.
1.5 ounces of Grenadine.
Yep.
Fresh squeezed orange juice, 6 ounces. Whoop.
Whoa, running out of room.
Well, you said it was big enough.
I thought it was 3.5 cups.
Yeah, well. Holy cow.
It is. There you go.
Wow.
Now what are we going to do with your ice?
Where's the big one?
The big one?
The big one. I need the big one.
This one?
Yeah, that one there. That's good. Okay. We messed up this deal. I might just not show that. Okay, and I got the ice in there.
Always an adventure.
It's a treat. It's a treat. Whoa, you look at that. And look at this. Cocktail Tony has Garnish. Look at that. Will you just look at that? Give it a little stir. I might add some more ice in there.
I messed up taking this off the tripod.
Okay, well.
You got a finger in there. But it wasn't the middle finger, it was my pointer.
You're always giving me the middle finger, so I probably have it.
So you're used to it.
Yeah, I'm used to it.
No biggie, okay.
Thanks. Here's, look at it. I'll have this done by, right now it's 3:30. I'm going to have this done by 4:30.
No, you're not.
Quick, call 911. Cheers to you all, folks.
it.
It's delicious. It is so good.
How good is it?
It's so good, I'm going to fall asleep. Cheers, folks. Cocktail Tony, over and out.